So, you know, we have, as part of our showcase items in our affiliates, is Keith Cothroll, the tax attorney. With stagflation, there's a lot of problems that come up with paying taxes. Think about it. You're going to raise your prices, the wages of your employees, the cost of your inventory, the expenses that you expend in providing the services to your customers or clients. Those they don't go up at the same time as the revenue. So you need to match the cost, the real costs, with the revenue. And there are tax problems related to that. We'll get to that in a couple of seconds, but it becomes critical to then analyze your business and what is the real cost of the product that you're selling and what is the real profit. Because think about it, it's going to be a problem. Inventory valuations, those of you selling physical products, inventory valuation methods become critical. Revenue recognition methods become really important. And these all lead to changes in accounting methods, and you may be fighting with the IRS if you don't do this properly. Because think about it, if you've got an item in inventory that costs $100 and it now costs $120 and you sold it for a markup that included the 120, you just created a phantom profit. It's not a real profit, it's an inflation profit, and the government's going to want their slice of it. So using these methods correctly will keep you from having phantom profits and having to pay taxes on money that you really need to use to buy the next inventory item, or to pay the higher rates of employees that are doing work for you or the contractors that subcontract with you. This becomes critical to kind of match what's going up. And it's really critical because you're in a declining market where there's going to be lower activity levels but higher sales prices. And you want to avoid having these phantom profits. And now we've got a president who's talking about using an increase in taxes to control the inflation. That's really not going to work. And in fact, it's really probably going to make this problem much worse, because if the government starts taking an even bigger slice and you don't have all your stuff put together where you're not giving them a slice of what's really a phantom profit, do you see how difficult this gets? So some of these are kind of complicated, but you need to be on your toes so you know how to do them. And we have the people that can help you do this.